Mindfulness and meditation are practices that involve focusing on the present moment and paying attention to thoughts and feelings in a non-judgmental way. These practices have become increasingly popular in recent years as a way to improve mental health and well-being. Research suggests that mindfulness and meditation can have a variety of benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving sleep, and increasing focus and concentration. If you are new to mindfulness and meditation, it can be helpful to start with a few simple techniques. One option is to set aside a few minutes each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath. You can try closing your eyes, taking a few deep breaths, and noticing the sensation of the breath moving in and out of your body. It's natural for your mind to wander, and that's okay. When you notice your mind has wandered, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Another option is to try a guided meditation, which can be accessed through apps or online resources. These types of meditations often involve a person leading you through a visualization or relaxation exercise. Guided meditations can be a good option for people who are new to meditation, as they provide a structure and guidance for the practice. It's important to be patient with yourself as you learn and practice mindfulness and meditation, as it may take some time to see the full benefits. Remember to be kind and compassionate to yourself, and to approach your practice with an open and curious mindset. You may find it helpful to set aside a specific time and place for your meditation practice, and to establish a regular routine. With time and practice, mindfulness and meditation can become an integral part of your daily routine and a valuable tool for managing stress and improving overall well-being. Additional benefits of meditating: improving emotional regulation. Research suggests that mindfulness and meditation practices may help to improve emotional regulation by increasing awareness of thoughts and feelings, and helping individuals to respond to them in a more balanced way. Reducing negative thinking. Mindfulness and meditation may help to reduce negative thinking patterns, such as rumination and worry, which can contribute to stress and anxiety. Improving physical health. In addition to their mental health benefits, mindfulness and meditation practices may also have physical health benefits. Some research suggests that mindfulness and meditation may help to reduce blood pressure, improve immune function, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Enhancing self-awareness. Mindfulness and meditation practices may help to increase self-awareness, which can lead to a greater understanding of one's own thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This can be helpful in making positive changes and improving overall well-being. Promoting social connection. Mindfulness and meditation practices can also be beneficial for improving social connections and relationships. Some research suggests that mindfulness and meditation practices may help to increase empathy and improve communication skills, which can lead to stronger, more meaningful relationships.